Everything's just how I planned it. Perfect. I can't believe how beautiful this place is. I have to share this with everybody. I've been planning this trip for months, and everything is coming out just how I wanted. But I didn't plan for this. This is so frustrating. What's the point of being somewhere beautiful without telling everyone where I'm at? Hey, how are you posting photos?
What do you mean? I have great internet connection here.
Check this out. It says that I have bars, but it's not connecting. What's going on?
Okay, well, I'm traveling abroad, and so I went ahead and planned out for this way ahead. I'm actually using an eSIM card through Jetpack Global, and it's working phenomenal.
eSIM? What does that even mean though?
So an eSIM card is an electronic SIM card that you can utilize on your unlocked phone, and it gives you access to the internet around the world.
Oh, that sounds expensive.
Actually, Jetpack Global is really affordable, and it begins at pretty much $1 for a gigabyte. I can recall this one time that I went to Mexico, took my phone with me, and I'm like, oh, I can have connections. It's going to be great. My provider works down here. And then when I got home, I had crazy rates that lasted for months. Yeah, I don't want that. And on top of that, it's so easy to use, easy to download, easy in regards to the process. I cannot stress about it. It's pretty much a download, plug in, and play.
What if I do get stuck or if I have questions and need help?
Okay, they have amazing 24/7 customer service to go ahead and help you out.
Is it really that easy though? Because I'm not that tech savvy.
It really is that easy. It's as simple as this. Just follow. So you're going to head to jetpackglobal.com. With me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you're going to select the global pack. And the best part about it is based on what country or region you're going to, they've already gone ahead and selected that for you with pretty good options to go with. Now, like I said before, it's about $1 for a gigabyte, but they do have insect packets. I want to say maybe like a 10 gigabyte to start off. Only you know what you're going to go ahead and really be using. Let's face it, you saw me a minute ago. I like taking photos of myself. I like showing my food. I like pretty much calling my Uber, via the internet. It's the best way to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and go with something a little bit bigger for a great price point. Then after that, you're going to proceed to the payment, log in with your preferred method. And then it's as simple as acknowledging 2 checkboxes, press the blue button at the bottom, and voila, you are absolutely done and ready to go.
That's great and all, but I do worry about my security. Is my information going to be safe?
Actually, one of the best things about this is that it includes a VPN, which keeps your data information encrypted, safe to use, especially if you're going to go ahead and be using your cards to pay abroad.
That's nice.
Okay, now get this. There's even more perks.
Okay, tell me more. I'm intrigued.
So peep this. One of the best perks of being part of the Jetpack fam is that in case your flight gets delayed, you can have actually access to the lounges. And now Jetpack will go ahead and email you, notifying you in case your flight does get delayed on how to go about. You'll just have to register before it, but it's pretty simple, just like as easy it is to go ahead and download everything as we just showed you. But it's a very nice perk, and it's something that I'm looking forward to. Yeah, well, if I have to use it on my next flight to Japan, enjoy a nice little, mini lounge break. Okay. So maybe luxury ain't your thing. Maybe it's too posh or whatnot. And I get that. Maybe you want to, after a layover, you want to go ahead and maybe be at a spa. LAX has one of those, and, Jetpack can get you in. There's a gameway. Get some gaming in, get some snacks. That's a nice way to go ahead and kind of kick it for a few hours. I like that, Or, maybe you're traveling to Hong Kong. They got a sky bar, a restaurant. Oh, let's face it. Foodies assemble. It's the thing to do. Or sometimes you just want a little bit of sleep. The Yotel Air Paris is available to go ahead and utilize. And Paris, that's incredible. Plus, if you're traveling with friends, or family, this might be the extra bonus on top of all this. You can add up to 5 travel companions to enjoy the free lounge with you in case of that flight delay. Yo, what great coverage. That way, no one gets left behind. That is money.
Thank you, and thank you, Jetpack fam, for allowing me to stay connected and send loads of videos and photos to my friends and family.
Now, before you even have to worry about it, this is even legit, or what are the reviews? Because let's face it, I know how we can be in regards to these items. You got to hand it out to Jetpack. They've won Asian Telecom Award of 2023, Tripzilla Excellent Awards winner of 2023, the Circle Life Singapore Travel Product of the Year. Best of all in itself, like I said before, those packages are incredible, whether you're going to a single country or if you want to get a global pack, just in case. You never know where a layover may take you. It's nice to have that coverage. It's peace of mind, quality service. Honestly, it ticks all the things off the boxes. Best of all, you can download this at home, set it all up, and it won't actually activate till you actually connect to the country that you land in, where you're going to be using your device. It's easy to use on Apple and on any device that has Google Play. After all, you worked hard and saved for your vacation, so you should go ahead and be at ease of mind and enjoy the best of your trip. All right, fam, and in case you're traveling and need some internet, go ahead and use our affiliate link down below.
Yes, all the information is going to be in the description box and in the pinned comment. And we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye, fam.